Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your science lesson for today. Our standard is SC 1.3. Investigate materials to determine which types allow light to pass through. For example, transparent materials such as clear plastic wrap allow only partial light to pass through. For example, translucent materials such as wax paper block light. For example, opaque materials such as construction paper or reflect light, for example, shiny materials such as aluminum foil. Our essential question is, what are the behaviors of light? Our I can statement is, I can describe the behaviors of light. Let's investigate light. Light arrives on the planet Earth after a speedy trip from the sun. Light takes about 8 minutes to get from the sun to Earth. The light that we see is one part of the energy that the sun makes that our eyes can detect. It travels to the planet Earth in the form of waves. Adjectives that describe the amount of light that can travel through objects. One of these words is translucent. This means that you can see the object, but it is not clear. Transparent. This means you can see the object clearly. Opaque. You cannot see the object. Did you know that a frog's eyes are very sensitive to light? Rainbows are made when light enters water droplets that are in the air. So let's determine if these objects are transparent, translucent, or opaque. This is a picture of a beaker with water. Is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? Remember, transparent means that you can see through it clearly. Translucent means that you can see some of the light, and opaque means that you cannot see clearly at all. That it blocks the light. This is not translucent, not opaque, but transparent. We can see through it. Let's look at this object. Is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? It's not transparent. It's not translucent. It is opaque. That means that we cannot see through it. This object here, this bag, is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? It's not transparent. It's not translucent. It is opaque. This man's glasses, are they transparent, translucent, or opaque? They are not translucent. They're not opaque. They are transparent. This bubble, this is a really big bubble. Let's see. It's not translucent. It's not opaque. It is transparent. We already see this one, so let's discuss why it is translucent. The screwdriver right here, this part of the screwdriver, it allows some of the light to come through, so it is translucent. All right, this is an orange cut, and we already saw that it is translucent. It is translucent. Why? Because it allows some of the light to come through. All right, this object here, it's not really clear what it is, but I can see some of the light, so that means that it is translucent. All right, this watermelon, is it transparent, translucent, or opaque? It's not transparent. It's not translucent. It is opaque. All right, you guys have done a great job learning those three new vocabulary terms: transparent, translucent, and opaque. Those are words that can describe the behavior of light. So we'll continue to learn more about this, and I will see you next time. See if you can find objects around you that are transparent, translucent, or opaque.